again, maybe the previous week during our Zoom, and you could see a drop, a base, and a drop there, right? That little red candle peeking out. And I put juice in the level 7-1. Now, did I see 7-1 and say, hey, I'm going to get 7-1 on that trade or 6-1? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I just saw 7-1. Hey, juice in the level created during the RTH. Okay. And that is August 5th. Okay. So as you can see, price had not touched that across here. And then yesterday, check it out. Now I got to tighten it up a little bit. So, makes entry at 10:05. So just after the 10 o'clock reversal, price comes in. I wouldn't even want to say digs in. It kind of wicks into it a little bit, and then just made its right turn. And it was like off to the races. I was out of the trade on the same 5-minute candle that it exited on. Phenomenal. And then it wound up going. If you measure this out, this is just over 6-1 there. Now, I did not get 6-1, as I said in my post. But it was a very easy 3-1. As I've been conversing with you guys, there's market conditions where I think I was talking about crude and a couple other symbols where I was getting more of a